Otherwise, you will not do. I'll do it from amine. Okay. Let me write. Starting from aniline. How can you prepare? Okay. So let it be 1. Fluorobenzene 2 benzene 3 benzamide 4 benzoic. These are very easy. Okay. Have you taken your earlier copy? See here, we have already done it. So, what we are supposed to do? We are supposed to convert aniline to fluorobenzene. So, how will you do it? In conversion, you don't have to balance. We'll write now here sodium nitrite HCl 273 278. All right. Then we'll get here benzene diazonium chloride. Then we'll treat it with HgBF4. Then you'll get N2BF4. Then if you heat it, what will get now here? We'll get here fluorine. Okay. Now second, we have to go for de-emanation of benzene. So we know how to do it. Sodium nitrite HCl 273 to 278 Kelvin. You'll get here N2Cl. After that, you know how do you carry out reduction? H3 PO2 or what? Ethanol. What will get here? We'll get this. Right. Okay, let me put some ink.
Yes, sir.
Don't do like yesterday, otherwise today also I will not teach you. See here. What I'll do now? This one I'll treat with cuprous cyanide, potassium cyanide. Then what I'll do? I'll get here cyanide, Senmeyer reaction. Then I'll do partial hydrolysis. I'll write here now. H2O, H plus. And here we'll write partial hydrolysis. Then what do you get now here? By partial hydrolysis, you will get here CO NH2. Okay, so this is three. And if you do complete hydrolysis, you get benzoic acid. So the fourth one you write by yourself. From here to here and here you write same. Then here you write H2O H plus and you write below complete hydrolysis. Then you write benzoic acid. Fourth one you do it. তারিটারে ঠিক করা আমার বহুত ঝামেলা একদম শরীর বিজার কিছু তার আমি একদম গরু ঢুকিয়া এই দিল্লি দুইবার আমি ডাক্তারটা কাটলাম 15 দিকে কাটলাম এখন বৃষ্টি থামলে করলেই হবে না আগে তো কয়েকবার কাটলাম না এখন বললাম যে কলা কাটা তো ঠিক Fourth one you do. Fourth one you write aniline, then write like this. Then CO, COOH. Up to this much is same. Then here you will write H2OH plus complete hydrolysis. Then you will write this. Very good. So, could you understand how these conversions are being done? Huh? Or no idea? Okay, very good. All right. Then convert aniline to this 135 tribrombenzene. Aniline to 135 tribrombenzene. Can anyone do it? Hello.
No, sir.
Balai, no. Huh? Oh, such helplessly saying, no, sir. Baby or what? Kano snap? Baby? Kano? 4-5 years old baby or what? No, sir. Hopeless. NH2. Br2 H2O. So you'll get here, immediately you'll get this. At room temperature, you get this. See here. Now I have to remove NH2. I told you. How will you do the de-emanation? Huh? First I'll convert it into diazonium. So this. Then I will get here N2Cl Br Br. Okay. Then you treat it with H3PO2. Okay. And H2O. This will go out. This reaction is called de-emanation. How to remove NH2 from the ring? No, sir. No. I'm a magician or what? You know everything, lazy people. Whole day I think sleeping. Okay. Now do. Same thing you'll do. Okay? Instead of using, see, instead of first you'll do the bromination, then you'll go for diazotization, and in that just previous the thing just now you have done, there you have used H3PO2, there you will use cuprous chloride, then it will give you nitrogen will go out and you will get Cl. Top. Clear. Everything I cannot do. In exam also I'll appear for you or what? So this one you will write, I will not write a step. Then you will get here Cu2 Cl2. Then you write this product. This step will write.
Sir, done.
Very good. This one I'll do. See, this is nitro and this is CH3. See here. In this case, I'll do bromination in presence of FeBr3. Nitro group is meta-directing. Amino group is orthopara-directing. So what will happen now? You'll get here NO2, Br, CH3. Then I'll do is reduction with tin and HCl. All right, or you can do with lithium aluminum hydride also, no problem. So what you'll get now here? You'll get NH2, Br, CH3, CH3. All right. Then I will convert it into diazonium salts. What I'll get now here? N2Cl, Br, CH3. Now you know how to reduce, how to remove this one. How do you do it? Write the step here and write the product.
Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
That after SnHCl, sir, that
You will get
compound.
that nitro group will be reduced to amine.
Okay, sir.
It is in the preparation of amine. We have done it. Tin HCl, iron HCl, or lithium aluminum hydride, NO2 group will be converted into NH2. Then this is being we converted into diazonium, and we know how to remove this one. How to reduce it? We are
Sir,
using.
also you actually wrote to methyl.
Hello.
So there's methyl also down there. Two of them.
Oh yes, methyl is there.
So the other one also, which
Yes,
is supposed to be Br.
See, we have taken 1 methyl 4 nitrobenzene. We have done bromination. Nitro group will go for bromination at Br at the meta position. Okay. Then after that, yes, you are correct. But in that case, the effect of nitro is stronger than that of methyl. All right. Then after that, we have reduced nitro to amine. The amine is being converted to diazonium salts. Now we will know how to reduce it. We can either take hypophosphorus acid or ethanol. Then this will remove.
So
Yes.
there should be bromine there in the third compound.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So that's what I was talking about.
Good. You are a good girl. See, this type of, I'll give you this question answer after a few days. I've done lot of conversions for you people. You just go through it. What? So how will you do it? First I will treat it with ammonia. Acid and base reacts to give us salt. So we will write now here COO NH4. Then if you heat it, once you heat, what you get? See, you will get here CO NH2. Then this one, if I treat it with lithium aluminum hydride, what I'll get? I'll get here CH2 NH2, this. So for this one I've already done. Okay. But in this case, I have to go one step further. I know that if I treat it with nitrous acid, it will give me corresponding diazonium salts. It is aliphatic diazonium salts. I will not write the product. It will immediately hydrolyze to give us alcohol. So that's the thing which is not stable, I cannot write. You will get this. What is going to form here? You will not write in the compound. You will get here CH2 N2Cl. This is alkyl diazonium salts. So this is not stable. Okay. So it will immediately react with water to give you this. But in exam, we will not write this step. We will write it like this one. See, from here to here, it is your 3. Okay. For second, what we will do now? We know that if you go for NaOBr, okay. If I treat it with sodium hydroxide bromine, then what will happen now? It will undergo Hoffman degradation, and you will get here Na. So from first, from here to here you have to write. For second, you write up to this, then from there you write this, you get second. And for third, you write up to this much. To write separately.
So done.
Done, na? All three have written. Okay. How to convert? Ethylamine to methylamine. See here. I have to remove this carbon. So I will first react this one with sodium nitrite HCl. You know it very well that this diazonium salt is not stable. So immediately it will give you what? CH3, CH2, OH. Then this one I'll treat it with say K2Cr2O7 H2SO4. What will happen? You know, primary alcohol will be oxidized to carboxylic acid. I'll write this. Okay. Then I'll treat this one with ammonia and I'll heat it. I'll not write the salt. So what I'll get now here? CH3CO NH2. All right. Then what I'll do? I react this one with sodium hydroxide and bromine. Hoffman degradation. This one will go out to give you what? CH3 NH2. Read the reaction very carefully. Then convert CH3 NH2 to CH3 CH2 NH2. I have to now introduce one carbon. Well, right now here, this HCl. 273 to 278. I know what I'll get here. I'll get here CH3OH. Then this one I'll treat it with say thionyl chloride. What I'll get? CH3Cl. Sorry dear. CH3Cl. Then this one I'll treat it with potassium cyanide. Don't faint. This. will get this.
তুমি এখানে সবজি দেখো আরেকটা দেখো তুমি যখন ফ্রিজ খুলো তুমি এটা এখানটা হাত দিয়ে খুলো না এখানে এখানটা হাত দাও এখানে হাত দিয়ে খুলবে না এখানে হাত দিয়ে খুলবে এটাতে লুজ হয়ে যাচ্ছে রুটি দিয়ে ঝিঙে দিয়ে কিরকম খাবে পোস্ত দিয়ে খাবে না তো পোস্ত দিয়ে খাবে না
Okay, now we'll go for distinction, huh? How can you distinguish the following? Okay. This CH3, CH2, CH2, NH2. And CH3, CH2, NH, CH3. See, this is propan 1 amine. And this is N methyl ethan. How will you distinguish? Please remember, this is a primary aliphatic. In exam, you don't have to write on. This is just to understand. And this is a secondary aliphatic. So you can distinguish it by 3 methods. Okay. So I'll write down 1. We can distinguish in by carbonyl. I will suggest that in exam you write this one because only primary amine gives us carbonyl, secondary and tertiary amine does not. Whether it is aliphatic or aromatic. So what we are going to write? We'll write here CH3, CH2, NH2, give carbylamine test. While CH3, CH2, NH does not. Why? In exam, you don't have to write reaction, but let us write the reaction here so that it can be a practice for you. You get now here EH3, EH3, EH2, NC. I will not write any other product. Huh? Okay. So what you are going to get? This is propyl isocyanide. Propyl isocyanide. This is the carbylamine which produces a very bad smell. Okay. And this one does not. So if you wish to write, then you can write here CH3, CH2, NH, CH3, CH3, COH. Yes. So this is one test. Write down, we'll write the second and third test. Okay. Second, okay, you write it. Have you finished writing the top part?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Now we'll do the second test. This is called Hinge bar. Hinge bar method. Or Hinge Box Test. What is Hinge Box Test? We'll add there benzene sulfonyl chloride. This is Hinge Box reagent, okay? This is benzene sulfonyl chloride. All right. So what it will give you? It will give you CH3, CH2, NH, NH, SO2, this. Okay. This is a white precipitate. To the when I add sodium hydroxide, immediately the white precipitate will dissolve. Right here now, minus Na plus SO2, this. Okay, we'll write here white precipitate dissolves. This equation you don't have to write. I'll write down in words. Huh? I should have written it at the beginning, but somehow I forgot. So this is for this. Now we'll write here CH3, CH2, NH, CH3, Cl, SO2, this. All right. So it will give you what? CH3, CH2, and CH3. Look at this. This is a white precipitate. Then I'll write here now sodium hydroxide. We'll write here white precipitate does not dissolve. Then I'll write in words. In exam, we only write in words. Don't have to write any reaction. We'll write. They can be distinguished by Hinge bar. You don't have to write this. Hinge bar reagent. Right here. CH3. Okay. Right now there. Both give white precipitate with Hinge bar reagent, but on addition of sodium hydroxide solution, white precipitate of CH3, CH2, NH2 dissolves. Why? Not white, huh? Why? The other white precipitate mix. I will always suggest you write the first test. If you write carbolamine, then the test, or don't have to write the equations, you'll get full marks. But you should know all the tests. Then the third. Nitrous acid test. We'll write now here. CH3, CH2, NH2. Liberate. We'll not write here liberate. Will produce bubbles of nitrogen on addition of nitrous acid. While CH3, CH2, Na, CH3 will produce a yellow liquid. See here, CH3, CH2, NH2. Okay. If you add here sodium nitrite and HCl, 273 to 278 Kelvin, you'll get here N2Cl. Now we know that this is not stable. Plenty of water is there in your test tube. It will immediately react CH3, CH2, OH, HCl, and this is the nitrogen gas which will come out. It is being shown by air. Means it is going out, bubbles. And when you react this one with secondary, so if you react, if you react it with nitrous acid, okay, 273 to 278 Kelvin, what you will find? You will get here you get this. Okay, this is a yellow. This just now, all the three tests that I have done, in your exam, they may not give you the molecule. Okay. So, they may give you. How can you distinguish between a primary aliphatic amine and secondary aliphatic? These are only for your reference. I've given R and H too. In exam, they will not write like this. And secondary aliphatic amine will be R to NH. They will not give these two molecules. Whatever reaction that I have done, okay, wherever I have given the molecule, there you write primary aliphatic. When wherever I have given that the second molecule, write secondary. Rest are all same. You need not write the equation. So you can write that for the carbolamine test, you will just say that primary aliphatic amine produce, give carbolamine test while secondary aliphatic amine not. Then for second test, Hinge-Box reaction, you will write that primary aliphatic amine produces a white precipitate which is soluble in sodium hydroxide solution, while for secondary aliphatic amine, the white precipitate is insoluble. Then for the third test, diazo test, you write primary aliphatic amine liberate nitrogen gas or bubbles of nitrogen gas on reaction with nitrous acid, while secondary aliphatic amine produces a yellow liquid. Let depth. Understood? Then how can you distinguish between C2H5NH or secondary amine and C2H5 triethylamine? That is, answer is same because of that I'm writing tertiary amine. So see, in this case, you cannot use the first test. Because you cannot use the carbolamine test because carbolamine is given by only by primary amine. So it is secondary amine and it is a tertiary amine. So what you are left out? You are left out with two more tests. It is the Hinge-Box test and second one, the reaction with nitrous acid. So what we will write now here? 1. We will write now here Hinge-Box test. We write here C2H5NH, or you can write secondary amine produce an insoluble produce a white precipitate with Hinge bar reagent. What is Hinge reagent? Benzene, sulfonyl chloride. This is benzene sulfonyl chloride. Don't forget. Which is insoluble in sodium hydroxide solution. While C2H5 or what will write here? Or tertiary amine does not produce any precipitate like that. So I don't have to write the equation. Okay, anyway, I'll write it for you. So C2H5 and HCl SO2 this. So what I'll get here? I'll get here C2H5N C2H5N SO2. Okay. What should I write here? Y precipitate. Then I write here sodium hydroxide. What will we write now here? Y precipitate remains. Then here I'll write C2H53 and Cl. Okay. No precipitate. Second is what? Nitrous acid. Yes. What will write now here? C2H52 and H or secondary aliphatic amine. Yes, yeah, please write aliphatic, sorry. And yes, here also you write secondary aliphatic. Sorry, yeah. Amine. Produce a yellow liquid with nitrous acid. While C2H5 triethylene, or we write here tertiary aliphatic amine produce a colorless solution. Finished?
Yes, sir.
Then why you are keeping quiet? How many classes then I should to take? Okay, it's almost time now. You have classes from school, so we'll continue in the next class. I have to do some more tests. Okay, then bye.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Yes.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Shumnath. তোমরা